welcome to another vlog. I was editing and I realized that I don't have an intro, which is like basically the norm for me, but this is the last video you're going to hear me come and say, hey, I don't have an intro, blah 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 blah. I'll be having intros, but basically this vlog is going to be my end of summer vlog. So the week after my birthday, or the week of my birthday, I started like going out more stuff, like working hard forcefully. But yes, so I decided that I'm going to capture the moments. Like in this vlog, you'll be seeing me going canvas painting, you'll see me going out for Xavier's birthday, I should be going bowling, and I should be going horseback riding and to the lake. So let's see how that goes. Hopefully it's in the vlog, but I'm just gonna show you guys my end of summer. I hope you guys like it. Remember to follow me on all socials at _kimberly.o_ and join the cakes family. Tell me how you like my new camera. Like, you guys are not really seeing the camera because yeah, but tell me how you like my new camera. And I got me an iPad. As expected, Xavier is not ready, so I'm going to go ahead and go on Pinterest, look for some canvas to see like what we can actually like do, because it's very impromptu. I was supposed to actually do this with Gitania, but like today me and Xavier had the same day off in the afternoon, so we were like, I think this is the moment for it. We're at the lake. We're trying to get the thumbnail. Xavier, can't you just wake? Can't you just wake?
Oh my god.
When you hear the big yawn from Xavier.
Oh, it's recording. I didn't know that.
Xavier, even look away, I go pain.
I'm just gonna write something on it in a different. I'm gonna live in life in color because my life kind of different.
I'm going to do a slick back ponytail. The product that I'll be using is the Extreme Gel Tail Comb. This is just for partying purposes. My brush got to be for edges. I think that's it. Yeah. So I'm going to speed up the process because like, who doesn't know how to do a slick back ponytail? And if you want a detailed slick back ponytail, I can do that for you. So this is the fit. As always, Gitania does always. Can you come over and show them how you're obsessed with me? Batty girl.
In 800 meters,
We are here in Heyyyy. Xavier's getting ready for her pictures. Birthday girl waiting. Running season, so we're waiting to be seated. Xavier's going through her pictures. So once we get seated and get food, then I'll pick you guys back up.
Stop, sing up, yeah, bad man, killer, some move, some rock, some sick liquor, move, do, wet, keep up, yeah, jazz, drop, quicker.
Appetizers, could we get the combo appetizer?
yeah, number 6.
Yeah.
All right.
And then I want a Shirley Temple.
Cherry Temple.
Yeah. What you want drink? For drink. You have apple juice?
No.
No.
Which is Thai iced tea, green tea.
2 Shirley Temple.
Okay.
3 Shirley Temple.
3. All right.
Yeah, that's it for appetizers. And then when you bring the appetizer, then I tell you the main course.
All right. Thank
No
you.
problem.
See a hot girl, me a call her hello. If you see bigger the dance, then the place get mellow. Hear me a tell you, so me do my thing, chain to my fling.
This is, I think it's stay, S-A-T-A-Y. And they eat it with some chicken-like sauce. It only tastes good with the this. Tastes legit.
I know a lot of people. I wish they were more specific.
For chicken in Idaho, it tastes pretty good. I'd be so upset. But this one guy do have the one time I show people food.
You're my lunch, but sometimes you also want to.
So this is what I got.
How strong are you? You know, people do stuff with their mouth. And, but that's really bad when you're playing the violin.
You get your food there? That's not.
You work on it a lot. He agreed that he needed to do something. I took videos
Eats every
of
time.
him playing the violin. His sister for her dog. It's a VHS tape for dogs. What is that? And it's the whole video.
Me enemy, them me a listen world thing. Camera, action, flame. When we outside, lock from your building. Let me fuck up in your lift.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Xavier. Happy birthday to you. August 29th, and me and Tanya decided that we're going to go watch a movie and do bowling. I just went ahead and did my hair off camera because Tanya was sleeping, but now she's up, so she's going to go ahead and do her hair. So we're going to watch movie about 4:30, and then the movie's like a 2-hour movie, so like 6:30. So by 7 we go to the bowling alley, and it's going to be a first time for me and Tanya, and I think Ari as well is going to be her first time. So stay tuned for that. But that is what we have planned for today. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I'll be wearing. Well, what I think I'll be wearing, because my sneakers, I don't quite get my sneakers together as yet in my head. So this is the prospective fit. A Coach Mini Jamie, a Sheen romper. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear this color. It's a beige, or my white Sheen shoes. This is from Amazon. But I'm going to show you the sweater that I'm going to pair it with. Is the sweater that plays like the most important role in this fit. Yeah, so this is the sweater. As you can see, the sweater is more leaning to the white actually. But I feel like the white is too white, because this is like half white and then this is full white. Because this is what I wear come up here. But the white I give now, so I'm going to wear it with white. And gold jewelry. Yeah, that's something that I don't know how to do because I'm a silver girly, but I'm going to put on gold jewelry. So this is the fit. Sneakers, back romper, and I'm going to put on my sweater and my bag. So I'm all done getting ready. Just have to put on lip gloss. I go back a Family Dollar just to buy the lip gloss, Titania. Best $2 to spend. No. Let's check if it's on Amazon. So this is the hair. So I'm fully ready now. We're waiting on Ariane to come so we can go and grab the bus and go to the movies. Let me show you guys my fit. So once Ariane is ready, we'll be on our way. Rate my fit down below. So the sweater is for the movie. The ties is for the bowling alley, so I might take it off at that time. But yeah. So Ari is here.
Yeah.
Finally. It's a black affair. Bomba, black and white. Black with little white. Black with little white. Black with white. Never planned. Never. Could I get the $5 popcorn and the $3 soda, please?
What kind of soda?
Sprite. I could probably be that again and I used the juice. Thank you. There you go. Thanks. We're a little early for the movie. So this time I gotta edit. I'm gonna eat. What to do? I have a $10 or $5 to spare.
It's reserved for just us.
And for 2 hours.
Right.
Rich out. Bloop bloop. Dark up a place. Boop 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 boop. I want a flashback, Jip, man. I want a flashback. I could never this way. I was a flashback. Oh God, flashback.
Yelling out.
Yeah. Barbie is 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's 20 out of 10.
Period. Barbie don't pregnant. Titania, why you look like this? As I said, Barbie ate a pepper. So now I'm gonna go get dinner. And then we hit to the bowling alley. Hopefully China Partner is open. Them on when them feel like for open, I'm gonna depend on that. So hopefully they're open and then we'll go bowling.
It's Kelpie vibes.
Go ahead, it's your time, baby. It's your time, baby. Yeah, my baby. That's the difference when you're my baby. That's how it is.
You guys do Apple Pay?
Yeah, it should be doing all done with the little hockey back there.
Nobody make me stop the world.
Thank you, Ariel.
So you're my third passion. You what you ask for. So tell me if you want action. Until the lights back on. I got the one we could last long. And I never know mansion. Feel like what I'm waiting for night long. I pull up in my fashion. Every light flashing anyway. We can go ahead and just let out until up in my.
Fuck me and tough. Some villagers.
Not to get out the whole night. Just get in the drop.
Ready? Blood cleanse.
You didn't give me a chance.
Bomba. Yes. You still kill him. I still.
Now, ladies and gentlemen,
Your reigning champion.
reigning champion, all the way from Portmore.
I feel, I've come over that side. I feel handicapped.
Alright, auntie. Do it for Kevin.
That one for my baby. Dog, fuck it up, someone. You can show about the bend over where you used to get the good goal a while ago. Yeah. Scream. Fred, oh, that like it I go start midway. Ari, lift up everything.
Gone,
My friend over there, so.
Enough of that.
Foreign. A foreign, no destiny, but a foreign for there. Foreign. How much him give me?
One more at next time.
At the food. Super power.
Hungry.
Give me this.
Alright.
The champion bowler.
Eat this enough, friend. Eat this enough.
I won. As expected. This is me. I won. Jitania came dead last. Ari came second. Dan, how was it, Jit?
It wasn't bad. Just half of the time I was hungry and I was annoyed.
And she lost.
I came second.
Third. Which is dead last. But anyways, now we're gonna go home and see you in the next video. That girl look pretty? Ariel, how does it feel to be the second champion?
You know, first I want to big up God.
God did.
I want to thank my mother
Yeah?
for not aborting me.
Anyways, we'll go home. Go drink some liquor coming on the wine. Yes, Dutton, you're going to drink.
And I guess some more.
Yeah, go come some burp. Fine, some. Guys, I have too much liquor and look at me for done.
Take the head out and cruise with your head outside. Go.